Comparison of passenger mounts for 2001 Ford Focus. On the left is the one from Anchor, on the right is the one from Ford. These are the part numbers. You can see the difference in the bolt. The Ford mount also has Ford logo on the rubber. The Anchor mount has a sticker made in China on it. Other than that, the mounts look very similar. Seal that the Anchor mount uses is pretty much identical to the one that Ford uses. Casting is a little bit sharper on the Ford mount. There's a difference there in the casting. That's pretty much what the difference is. That on the outside.